Hello everyone, my name is Savi Sachin. Today's topic is women empowerment. So, women empowerment broadly refer to the process by which women gain power and control over their own lives and acquires the ability to make uh, strategic choices. So, involves involves promoting the senses of self-worth among women, along with their ability to determine their own choices and their right to influence social change to themselves and others. So, component of women empowerment, as per the European Institute of Gender Equality, women empowerment broadly involves the uh, 5 components. So, women's sense of the self-worth, their right have to have and to determine choices, their right to the have access to opportunities and resources, their right have power to control their own lives, both within and outside the home, their ability to influence the direction and social changes to create a more just social and economic order. So, nationally and internationally, dimension of women empowerment through women empowerment involves enabling women across a plethora of dimensions on a broader level. Women empowerment consists of the 3 dimensions. So, socio-cultural empowerment, it refers to enhancing women's capacity and authority to make the choices and to transform those choices into desired action and outcomes within the context of their society and culture. So, economic empowerment, it refers to the process of providing women the means to achieve economic independence and strength, as well as ensuring their ability to the practice fully and freely in their economy. Political empowerment, it involves enhancing women's ability to participate political processes and influence public policy and decision making, and again representation in the political and governance structure at all levels. So, Indian society has always reserved women with many female deities, Saraswati, Durga, Lakshmi, Kali, etc. Worshipped across the country. However, the system has prevailed since the Vedic period, with customs and tradition favoring men. Indian history finds the mention of many previous women such as Gargi, Maitri and Sulba, whose faculty of reasoning was far. So, the women empowerment, that's all about the women empowerment. Thank you.